Low-Carb Okonomiyaki is a creative twist on traditional Japanese cabbage pancakes using rice paper instead of flour to create a lighter low-carb version. It's so easy to make with simple ingredients. A full recipe is on JapaneseCooking101.com. Shred the cabbage finely, just like making a regular okonomiyaki. Devein the shrimp and cut them into small pieces. You can also use other proteins of choice if you like. Beat the eggs thoroughly with a teaspoon of dashi powder. Spread 1 teaspoon of oil in a frying pan, then place a sheet of rice paper in the pan. Spread the egg mixture evenly over the rice paper. This recipe makes 2 okonomiyakis. Then layer the shredded cabbage and shrimp pieces on top. Turn the heat to medium, pour a little water around the edges, cover, and cook for about 5 minutes. Fold in half using a spatula and serve immediately. Next step is essential for achieving authentic okonomiyaki flavor. Drizzle with some okonomiyaki sauce and Japanese mayonnaise, and any desired toppings such as bonito flakes and aonori. You might be tempted to make it even healthier by reducing the toppings, but we recommend not to skip them for the flavor. If you love okonomiyaki but stay on a healthier diet, you should give this a try.
美味しい。美味しいね。